Dagupan City at night. Never done Dagupan City at night, so we're gonna go ahead and do it. Catch a trike over to where you want to go. Where do you want to go, hon?
The night market.
The night market?
Yeah.
Alright, let's figure this one out then. Alright, we're just going to catch a trike and head over to the night market and see what's going on over there. Oh, okay. So that's it, we're here. Well, anyways, I guess we're here. Alright, we made it. Barely, but we made it. That guy was fucking crazy, man. Holy crap. I don't usually swear on these videos. Man, that guy was a madman. This is definitely walking distance. I guess we didn't need a tricycle, did we?
Because we don't know.
No, we didn't know. But we've never been here before at nighttime. We knew it was here, but we just never. We live in Alaminos, so we're never in Dagupan at nighttime. Hey, what's up?
Hey.
All right, man.
What's up?
Hey, brother. How's it hanging, dude? Oh no, not music. We don't need any music. No music, please. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. So the nighttime marketplace, kind of like what Baguio does, huh?
We can go there.
All right. So check it out. I got it. $60 lang kilo. Large tank tops? Are those large? I'm really not in the market for anything. Nothing I'm looking for.
I'm looking for something.
Are you? I'm just here to watch people. And look at my surroundings. Yeah, there's a lot of vendors out here, huh? Pretty cool. That'll be nice to walk through and check out. Check out the vegetables. It's actually pretty cool. Oh. Yeah, let's do it. Go through the maze.
Iba mo magano parang tamay tap jay ah. Pite. Pamula tama ni. Link lang.
Who's that in front of me? Is that my wife? Again? In front of me? She's leading the way. She's the bulldozer. I'll lift my camera up over your head. How's that? Run this way. And we got food vendors down here, right? No vendors allowed. So okay, what does this mean? Are we at the end of our? Are we at the end of our? So at the end of the trail, where are you, huh? Oh, okay. Where to next?
The Plaza.
Check out the plaza. Okay, we just finished with the market walkthrough. Wasn't really anything in there we were interested in, other than a little bit of sightseeing. Oh, the plaza's closed. All right. I suppose we start headed back.
Yep.
All right. What they got going on over there? Street food?
Yeah, puto bongbong.
All right, you know what I would like to do? As we walk back and do some of this video, let's see if we can spot some really cool jeepneys. Like all lit up and painted really crazy. That's always part of the sightseeing experience in the Philippines when you visit a different town.
There's a jeepney down here.
Yeah, because they always
Coming, jeepney's coming.
Yep. Because they always have different colors in different area, you know, different cities. That's not a bad one. Let's see. It's basic, but it's nice. Oh, there we go. Green. Ah, here we go. Here's a fancy one. Look at that one. Yeah.
We'll get my hand again.
Huh?
We'll have the bulldozer. Crazy.
The bulldozer. She plows down any obstructions before I get there with the camera. There we go. That's Marla?
Marla.
The name of that jeepney is Marla. Okay. Who we got here? Fernandez. Good. It is a busy night out here. It's a Friday night, so a lot of activity. Oh, watch the truck drivers, they'll run you down. Alright. And we have the Princess Jambi. Princess Jambi. Street food. The monster. Alright. Let's go find out. Alright, we're gonna over here.
There you can pass through.
Better make it quick. Here comes the traffic. Oh, we found another market. All right, this looks to be a garden style market, dry market. This is a first time for us. We've never been here. Ooh, all right. Milkfish. Oh. Look at all the milkfish. We are in a serious wet market. Yep. Want to walk around and see what they have?
Lutar pala namin, madam. So, kung alam si Binandret.
Look at all that.
Halimbawa rin kami, madam. Wala pula. Pusit, madam. Hipon, ma'am.
What a wide selection. Well, there you go, seafood lovers.
200 lang to na, 200.
Look at that squid right there. Yeah. There is a lot of damn seafood here. Holy crap. Alright. Look at this. Yeah, we're at the seaport. Holy goodness. We passed through here one time, didn't we? On a tricycle? Alright, we'll catch up in a minute here. Alright, another jeepney. We have... I couldn't quite read that one. But it's a pretty one. It's a nice looking jeepney. Alright. We can just keep walking. We'll just keep walking up this side until we find an opening and then we'll cross. So this is Dagupan at night. What's that?
I don't know, I just read it.
Maybe we should cross. There we go. More jeepneys. Show off your jeepneys, guys. Sorry, I couldn't swing my camera over fast enough. Hey, Joe. More market. Oh, you almost ran over my toes. That truck driver. Like, no, not my toes.
Really?
Those are my toes. No, I said almost. I need those toes. Don't squash my toes, please. Alright, well that was fun. Let's see what's next. Alright, we're on the final stretch. Headed back to the hotel. Just another hotel? Bed box hotel. Okay. Guys, just telling my wife, this reminds me of the old days. Roaming around. I was just telling my wife, this reminds me of the old days. When I was in the Marine Corps, we'd roam around towns like this, not knowing where we were, what we were doing, where we were going. You know, in Asia, of course, Asian countries. Just walking around aimlessly. As long as we found a place to sit down and get drunk, we didn't care.
Drunk. You don't have. You can't find those places anymore.
Oh yeah. That's back in my drinking days, huh?
Then those.
We were young.
Places. If ever there's an open places like that, they won't like you anymore.
Yeah. We were young, dumb, and full of fun. Yeah. Those are the days. This is our street, isn't it?
Yeah, be careful.
Side street. Let's go across. I think this is, I think we're back on Rizal, right? Rizal Street?
You're walking fast again.
Yeah, I am walking kind of fast, aren't I?
Yeah.
Milk tea? Anybody want milk tea?
If they said yes, you will buy for them.
Yeah. All right, this about wraps it up. We're back at the Lennox Hotel here on Rizal Street, Rizal Avenue, one of those two, here in Dagupan City. We did the night walk. Now we're gonna go upstairs, get ready to relax and have our cheesecake and coffee for a late nighter. So, all right guys, take care. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.